Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So, today we will use multiplication to compare. The TEKS we're going to work on today is 3.5C, 3.5E, and 3.4F. All right, so let's go ahead and read our problem. And let me actually go ahead and erase some of these annotations. There we go. All right, so the red paper strip is 3 centimeters long. A blue paper strip is twice as long as the red paper strip. What is the length of the blue paper strip? Okay, so we want to know how long the blue paper strip is, right? Now, we don't know how long this blue strip is, but we do know how long the red strip is. So the red paper strip is 3 centimeters long. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a strip to represent my red paper strip. And this is 3 centimeters long. So that's our red paper strip. Now let's look at our blue paper strip. So the blue paper strip is twice as long as the red paper strip. So I know that the blue paper strip is twice as long as the red paper strip, and we're going to kind of approximate over here. So we know that if it's twice as long, it's 2 times as long. So that means this square is 3 centimeters and this square is 3 centimeters. So we're going to go ahead and use this as our strip diagram to figure out how long the blue paper strip is. So if I were to add 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, that's going to give me 6 centimeters. We can also do, 3 centimeters times 2, because we need 2 groups of 3 centimeters. That's going to give us 6 centimeters. Each of those will work. So let's look back at our question. What is the length of the blue paper strip? So let's write this in a complete sentence. The blue strip is 6 centimeters long. There we go. All right, so we figure out how long the blue strip was. All right, now let's go ahead and go on to our next problem. In our next problem, we have a backpack. So let's go ahead and read our problem. So a backpack weighs 5 pounds. A suitcase weighs 30 pounds. How many times heavier is the suitcase than the backpack? So we know a backpack weighs 5 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and write this right here. Right? So our backpack, put down backpack, is 5 pounds. And then a suitcase weighs 30 pounds. Okay. So our suitcase weighs 30 pounds. I'm going to write this right over here to kind of approximate that. And this is our suitcase. Put down LBs. So this is how we're going to represent it in strips. How many times heavier is a suitcase than the backpack? So we know that the suitcase weighs 30 pounds. So I'm going to use this with a strip diagram. So if I have 5 pounds, we're going to go ahead and figure out how many times 5 pounds can fit into 30, right? So I have 5, and then I have 10, because I have 2 5s, 15 pounds. I'm going to actually put this right. 10, 15 pounds now, 20 pounds, 25 pounds. I'm going to draw one more. It's going to be 30 pounds. So how many times heavier is our backpack? Let's go ahead and count how many strips we had to make. Or how many boxes we had to make. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So looking at our strip diagram, we know that the suitcase is 6 times heavier than the backpack. Thank you all so much for joining me with today's lesson. So that was both of our problems for today. Let's go ahead and take a review of our lesson objective. So today we use multiplication to compare. All right, everyone. Thank y'all so much for joining me today in today's lesson. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next lesson. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.